ho, ho! It's time to decorate the Christmas tree. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to watch my video. As you can see, here is the, I think it's a 7-foot tree or 7.5, I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm a little excited to decorate it. However, I don't like decorating Christmas trees. I really don't. Because it's a lot of work, you guys, and it takes a lot of time. And sometimes I just can't do it that fast. You know, like somebody could put up a tree within an hour or 30 minutes. I can't do it because I have to get the vision and I have to make sure I have all my supplies together. You know the deal. You know how it is, okay? So anywho, I've got something started up here. Okay, I've got the topper started. That was what I did last night. Now, I wanted to bring this video to you that day, which was yesterday, but I didn't have a chance because there's a lot of work and it's been hectic around here. I'm trying to do this, do that, help everybody do this, do that, get dinner ready. I mean, it's just crazy. So anywho, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to show you some of what I do. I'm not going to show the whole entire process because it takes a long time. So let's get started.
Have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your helpless song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Choirs of angels praise. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid, while our hearts in love we raise. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your happy song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
Okay guys, now I am ready to put these ornaments on. Now these don't have the little thing that goes on the top there, so I'm going to just try to squeeze them into the, you know, the areas, the little spots that don't have a lot of stuff going on. And then I have some small ones. I have everything up here, so I'll show you how it looks once I'm finished, okay?
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God.
Okay guys, I had to take a coffee break. Now this is not Starbucks, this is Jazigreens coffee, okay? But it's in a Starbucks cup, so I just made it right now and I'm about to take a few more sips. And this is how the tree is looking so far. I've got some ribbon kind of like layered in there, and I gotta add a lot more and then put all the other things on there. So I'm probably going to speed up the video because it's a lot of work that I got to do. A lot of ornaments that I need to put on there to try to fill in some of the gaps and holes and things like that. So yeah, and then when I get done with all that, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So,
Word of the Father, now in flesh appearing. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him.
okay, Jazigreens, it is finished. Not 100% finished, but it's finished for this video. I'm still going to be adding some more things to it, as well as the lights. But in order for you to see that, you're going to have to come back on December the 14th when I show my Christmas home tour, okay? And that will be at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on December the 14th. So this is how it looks, and there is that little peace ornament. I love that one. It's my favorite one, and it's actually heavy. those green, red, and gold ornaments. I got those from Hobby Lobby the other day, and those smaller ones, I've had those for years, and it's actually time for some new ones. I think so. Oh yeah, and the ribbon, of course, I got those from Hobby Lobby. I think I told you before. Yeah, so that's how it all turned out. I hope you guys like it so far. It's gonna look really pretty, even more when you guys come back to see the home tour, okay? So anyway, I thank you so much for watching, all of you. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Just go ahead and click the subscribe button right now so that you won't miss any videos. Give this video a big thumbs up, and welcome to the Jazigreen family. You guys take care, you be blessed, and I will see you all next time. All right, bye-bye.
Joyful and triumphant, come.